Hey Crazy Cuties, welcome back. Today's video is this palette. I'm so excited to be playing with this palette. This is from Hey Crazy Cuties, welcome back. Today's video is trying out this new palette from Spoilers Cosmetics, Pastel Goth. Before we get started, make sure you hit the like button so I know you like this kind of content. Also, you're going to be part of the Crazy Cuties clan. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. And of course, hit the notification bell so you can be notified of any new videos that I upload. So, I'm very excited. This palette is part of their bi-month Spoilers Cosmetics bi-monthly that you get every 2 months. So on and so forth. You can get a mixture of eyeshadows or highlighters depending on what they do for the month. So this is for June 15th to August 15th. So you have 2 months to get this. But the price is about $27 or so, which is not bad. It's not bad. But all of the products that they create are vegan and cruelty-free. This is the color Story, which I really do love. It's so pretty. Sorry about that. I really like this. You got 2 highlighters up here. You can use those as eyeshadows if you want. Also, they have 4 shimmers. It will be this green, black, pink, and purple, which I really, really do like. So go ahead and play with some colors. So I am going with the purples and the pinks a little bit because I'm just like, let's get out of my comfort zone, you know. So I was very, very shocked of this palette when I first saw it. I'm like, ooh, I was thinking of pastels and some dark colors. Even though I'm not a goth girl, but I like to play with different colors. I love playing with different colors. So I already put my eyeshadow primer on. I've used the Beauty Creations Neutral Eyeshadow Base Primer in Porcelain. I really, really love that palette. Not the palette, but the eyeshadow. I really love the eyeshadow primer. Bought me a second one. So I'm going with this light purple shade that has more of a pink undertone to it as a transition shade. And then I'm going to go with this pinky color that they have. It's nice and bright. It's this pink shade right here. I probably just go with this purplish highlighter color as a, I don't know. Now, what I'm kind of seeing that I wish they come, with colors. I would see like a nice baby doll pink, like a light, cooler pink on that, because it's a very cool tone eyeshadow palette, which is nice to see because pastels are very cool tone. My Aunt Kathy came by yesterday, and she watches my channel and everything. Shout out to you, Kathy. Aunt Kathy. She's like, yeah, you got me on the covers, and look, she's like, she was so excited. We were like we were having so much fun. It was nice to see her again. We should do that more often. But life sometimes gets in the way. I am definitely going to play with this purple, dark purple shade. I was going to put it in the corner just a tiny bit because I do want that purple shade. And you know me, I cannot get away from purple or blues or greens, even though I tried so hard. Just as I'm blending, I'm making it a little bit light because I don't want it to be like really dark. Not for a Sunday going to work, I want to say thank you for everyone to watching my last Monday's video, because I was so nervous a little bit. And there's a reason why I'm a little bit nervous of that, because I hope I was doing that makeup with that packaging from Bath and Body Works justice. Now I am going with that white shadow, which to make it more blend. It does have a little kickback. Some of the lighter shades will have kickback, which is not something that I have a problem with. I'm using that white just to make it a little bit more pastel, a little bit, which I do like. Okay, we're just gonna go with this white. I'm just gonna fade that in. It's like a it's like a faux cut crease, which I like doing faux cut creases more than anything, more than like a true cut crease, because you usually cut. When I do faux cut creases, it's just easier for me to do it. I'll definitely have to use a, but I'm gonna use this way, which I do like them. I'm not mad about, like, not upset or anything with the formula of these, because these are really pretty and I really do like them. As you can see, it's a lot of purple in it, which I do like, so it's very really give you that pastel. Use my favorite mascara, but I'm gonna finish up my makeup and do the rest. I'm actually gonna just do this eye and then just finish up with my makeup, and I'll be right back. But I really do like this palette. I'm definitely gonna play with some more with this. Of course I love the package. The packaging is cute, but I'm definitely gonna play with more of the shimmers. I definitely want to play with this purple. I'm thinking about doing a black base eyeshadow, and I'm just playing with the darker colors, like see what we can come up with. Definitely with this shade right here. Such a beautiful color. But I'm definitely want to play with the yellows with these two. I do want to play with that a little bit. Like I said, I really want to play with this even more because this is going to be a fun palette to play with. The color story is unique. I love it. I like very unique color stories. It's just one of my favorite things to do is play with color. Rather I go with like neutrals. You don't have neutral eyeshadows, but it is what it is. Okay. But yes, so yeah, every product I've used on my face and things I don't mention will be down below in the description box. But yeah, so this is it for today's video. I hope you have a wonderful day or night wherever you're at. I love you and God bless. Bye.